सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Chapter 18, verse number 25. अनुबन्धं क्षयं हिंसाम् अनवेक्ष्य च पौरुषम् मोहादारभ्यते कर्म यत्तत्तामसमुच्यते. This 18th chapter, Bhagavan is concluding the entire Gita teaching. While he is concluding, that means summarizing, he is giving that teaching briefly, whatever he has already pointed out in the previous chapters. So the subject must be familiar to us. This is like a revision of the entire teaching. What is the essence of Gita? The essence of Gita is Jivatma Paramatma Aikya Jnanam. That is called moksha, liberation. By getting the knowledge that I, the individual, am non-different from that Paramatma. That Paramatma and myself are one and the same. I, the Jivatma, that Paramatma are one and the same. This Jnanam is called Atma Jnanam. This Atma Jnanam alone is called as Moksha. In English we call it as liberation. By getting this knowledge, one can be free from dukkha, janana marana samsara chakram. One can live happily. Freedom from sorrow. So therefore, to get such a highest, that freedom from sorrow, that is a great unique opportunity I can get by fulfilling certain qualifications. To enter into that realm of Brahma Vidya, Aikya Jnanam, where there is Ananda, Sukha, Dukkham is not there, that status to attain, I have to fulfill certain qualifications. First round, second round, test madre. First round test, second round ella irukku. Adi madre we have to finish certain things. Therefore Lord Krishna presenting three types of jnanam, three types of karma, three types of karta, three types of intellects, three types of willpower based on three gunas. To acquire that knowledge, you have to study, you have to interact with the world, you have to get maturity, and you have to refine your mind. That refinement of the mind or maturity, or to study the scriptures, you have to do interactions. When you are doing interactions, these are all faculties are involved. What are those faculties involved? First, jnanam is involved, knowledge is involved, the action is involved, karma is involved, the karta is involved, the doer is involved. I, the doer, doing actions and getting knowledge. Then Lord Krishna is presenting, after that karta, he is going to present 3 types of intellects also. Type of thoughts and the type of willpower. All these we have to understand when I am interacting. All these components are involved. All these components are involved whether you like it or not. When you do interaction, action is inevitable. Either doer has to do action. Knowledge also inevitable, either right knowledge or wrong knowledge. And I am using my willpower also. That thought process also going on. When all these are going on, whether knowingly or unknowingly, then what type of components, if I maintain, I get that knowledge. All these components are involved, that is true. But there are 3 types of gunas by which guna predominant role is there, I attain that jnana. Are you getting? Among these 3 gunas, sattvika jnanam, rajasika jnanam, tamasa jnanam possible. 3 types of knowledge possible. To attain that moksha, which type of knowledge is good? Tamasika jnanam or rajasika jnanam or sattvika jnanam? Sattvika jnanam is required. Again, to attain that moksha, what type of action is good? Tamasika action or rajasika action or sattvika action? Sattvika action only can help the person to attain moksha. Similarly, the doer also. Lord Krishna is going to talk later. Now in this 25th shloka, Lord Krishna presented that karma, 3 types of karma. What type of karma lead to moksha? Sattvika karma. Sattvic actions are those, 23rd shloka he has pointed out. Sattvika karma uchyate. What is that? Niyatam karma, that which is obligatory, given by Shastra. Kritam karma, which is performed without any attachment. Sangarahitam kritam. That karma will help to the for moksha. For moksha, you have to supply. Okay. All these are qualifications Bhagavan talking, so which we have to understand. This only gives moksha, and Bhagavan won't say. You have to understand which are good, which are bad. Aragadveshaha kritam, with performing actions without likes and dislikes. Strong likes and dislikes. That only is the obstruction for moksha. Never develop strong likes and dislikes, but have preferences. You can have preferences, but you should not yield to that strong likes and dislikes. Like means raga, dislike means dvesha. Raga, dvesha are the culprits. They will not allow the person to relax. A relaxed mind cannot, without relaxation, the mind cannot receive the teaching. Because the mind is obsessed with raga, dvesha, is a restless mind. The mind obsessed with, overpowered by intense likes and dislikes, it obstructs the mind to think. It blunts that mind. That type of likes and dislikes blunt the intellect. So once the intellect becomes so blunt, that person cannot receive the teaching. Once he is not able to understand the teaching, where is the question of jnanam and jnana phalam? Why strong likes and dislikes? Because of abhimana, deha abhimana, because of ahankara. Therefore what? Give up ahankara. Which ahankara is the cause? Ahankara means what? I notion. Non-angra or abhimanam. I am, that ego. The ego is the first, we are going, ego goes first. No? Before us, In our actions, before every action, ego goes first. Later only we go. Later we go. First ego goes. Ego goes and when I am doing some action, first my abhimana sit there. Don't allow that abhimanas to sit there. Therefore, aphala prepsuna, one who is not desirous of any result, that person, karma is called sattvikam karma. So, without any attachment, performing family duties, social duties, one's own duties, without attachment, without likes and dislikes, without any craving for results. Not result oriented, but duty oriented. Let me do my duty. Do the best, leave the rest. Do the best, leave the rest. 24th shloka, Lord Krishna pointed out that Rajasikam karma. A Rajasic mind person is one whose actions are like this. Or you can understand a person who does this type of actions is having Rajasic nature and artham. Either way you can take. Rajasic nature if he is having Rajasic, Tamasic, Sattvic Tarimo. Rajasika gunam. Rajasika gunam where kama, krodha, lobha are very highly predominant. That person, when he does the actions, they are all called Rajasic action. His actions are like this. Or you can take, whoever does these type of actions is called Rajasic. Either way. Rajasam karma udahritam. Rajasic action is said to be that. Tat. What is that? Bahulayasam, which is full of pain. Samayil pannamodu pain. Okay, daily samayil pannanum. Office pogumbodhu pain. A person don't like to go to office. No. Very, very, well taking salary, he's so happy. No. Like that, bahulayasam. Monday is coming and so tired. Sunday night and the phobia, Monday phobia and pair. Monday phobia and tomorrow office ponume. In the amma ki tension vandadum. Saturday is coming and very happy. Sunday also okay. Sunday evening lende celebrate or sickness varum. Monday sickness it is called. Without our knowledge. Without our knowledge, Monday sickness and pair adike. And again we have to run for 1 week. Up to Saturday morning, we have to run. Bahulayasam. Yat kriyate, which is undertaken, kamepsuna. The action which is undertaken by one who seeks results. Always thinking about too much about the results. Kamepsuna. And va means and. Punaha, moreover, sahankarena. There, in that previous verse, Lord Krishna says, nirahankarena, we can take aragadveshaha sangarahitaha. Here sahankarena. Sattvika karma is nirahankarena. You can supply there. Here sahankarena. Who has ahankara? Ahamkara means aham karta, aham karomi. I am the doer, I am doing. This is my action. I am the performer. When mother or father are taking care of their children, too much they, possessive nature. And the children, they want to just control the children. Too much control. They think as though they are the right hand and left hand mother. If you ask your right hand, go up, and we will go up. Left hand, go up and go. Come down, come down. Right hand, left hand, they listen as you say. But some parents think that son and daughter are like right hand and left hand mother. If I say stand, stand. If I ask sit, sit. Up to 15th year, okay. But after that, forget about them, they are your children. It is better to give respect and take respect policy after that. Young age is okay, but don't have that over ahankara. Ahankara comes, it leads to mamakara. I am the mother, ahankara. He is my son, mamakara. He is my daughter, she is my daughter, he is my husband, she is my wife. And the mine is so predominant. This is very naturally comes. You need not give training for this. Okay. You need not cultivate this. Very easily, naturally comes. That is a natural phenomenon in every human life. What to talk of tamasic karma? Rajasic karma ipdi irukke. Tamasic karma, he says, anubandham kshayam himsam. Tamasam karma is that tamasam uchyaten. Tamasic action is said to be tat yat arabhyate mohat, which is undertaken. This shloka we were seeing in the last class. Which is undertaken because of what? Mohat, due to delusion. Not having clear picture about that action. Not having clear knowledge about that action, what he is doing. What are the pros and cons? What are the consequences I am going to get by doing this action? What am I doing? For what sake I am doing? What am I going to get by doing this? This and all he do not have or she do not have. That knowledge is not there. It is a deluded mind and artham. என்ன பண்ணுறானோ தெரியல, எதுக்கு பண்ணுறானோ அவனுக்கே தெரியாது. பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன வரும் அப்போ ரிசல்ட் என்ன அதையும் தெரியாது. என்ன மோகாத், கன்ஃபியூஷன். Anavekshya, without considering the consequences. Anubandham means anubandham, and connected results, consequences. Anubandham means the consequences by doing that type of action. Anaveksha, without considering them. When I am doing this action, what result is going to come tomorrow? That's why deluded people, they do always wrong actions. They think they are right. After performing that wrong action, they will be punished. Once they are getting punishment, they ask, seeking pardon. Please excuse me, forgive me. Why they ask like this? While doing action, they don't have that discrimination. After performing the action, once the result, a very bad result, unfavorable result comes, they're starting repenting again. Why I did like this? Kimahagum sadhu na karavum. Na ye ipadipatta karma pannine. Kimahagum sadhu na karavam. Kimahagum papama karavamiti. Why I did this mistake? Why I did this mistake? What happened to me? That intellect is blurred. Vision is blurred. These people don't have tamasic people in artham. They are sattvic people. They think and do. Slowly they go about it. So once you commit a mistake, then later we have to face a guilt. Because of that guilt, and you will get later punishment, you get hurt also. If you do sattvika karma, you can avoid guilt and hurt. To do sattvika karma, you have to be very, very much disciplined. Tamasic people, easy way of going. They say always easy way of going. But sattvic actions are very difficult to perform. You require a lot of discipline. Toughness is required. A tamasic action, rajasic action is easy going, very easy to perform. But what consequences are very, very painful, very much painful. Therefore, mohat arabhyate karma anaveksha himsam paurusham. Himsa means their actions are harmful. Number one is anubandham. The consequence is very, very bad. Bad in the sense, the consequences are are not favorable, not good for spiritual growth, not good for even materialistic growth also. That materialistic growth, what he gets is not at all a materialistic growth. That's why people, in spite of earning lot of money, lot of possessions they are having, but they don't have the sukham. What to do with this materialistic prosperity? The consequence he has got because of tamasic actions, wrong actions. But what is this? Seeing this property, children are not listening their words, parents' words and all, and they're all having bad habits because of lavishly spending lot of money, giving money to your children, going wrong way to earn money. And all these things, what are the consequences remain? A lot of hurt, lot of guilt, pain in the mind, heart, and a lot of insults. So many they have to face. That prosperity, the wealth will not give them happiness. That's why the person can never live peacefully. For people, outside people, what a bangla, what a richness this person is having. And everybody jealous of this person by seeing his richness, the name and fame. But you go on and interview that person, even 2 hours also he cannot sleep. 1 hour also they cannot sleep properly. And the 1 hour also by taking some sort of medicines they take. Sleeping tablets. And the 1 மணி நேர தூக்கத்துக்கு sleeping tablets. ஏன் அப்படிப்பட்ட நிலைமை வந்ததுன்னா தாமச கர்மா பண்ணி 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 they lose their mental peace. Kshayam himsam paurusham. See, without considering the consequence, the loss, spiritual loss. Spiritual loss is the greatest loss. It is harmful also to that person, to the family, to the other members, the relatives, friends, and so many people. That person means complicated and ardham. A person who does tamasa karma is a complicated person. He gives always problems to others. Paurusham. Paurusham means not seeing the capacity, his own capacity. What is my capacity? How much I have to take up? See the capacity and do yourself. Your knowledge capacity you have to see. Your physical capacity also you have to see before undertaking the action. And your resources also. Without having the resources, Paurushamanna, capacity to have resources to take up that action. Idella theriyavale. Taking the share market. Eppadi varumo theriyadu. Idukku avvala aasha edukappa. That's a dura drishti illamal an artham. Short-sighted person, not long-sighted. He's not having dura drishti, but he is having short-sightedness. And kshayam himsam paurusham anubandham anavikshya. Without considering the consequence and the loss, the harm, and the capacity, without considering the capacity, what is going to happen, the loss, what is the harmful to me, to my family, to my children and all, not looking into those things, he take up the action. He is called what? That action is called tamas karma. He is the doer of what? Tamasa karta we can call. So, sattvika karma, whoever perform is called sattvika karta. Rajasika karma, whoever perform, he is called Rajasika karta, doer. Tamasika karma, whoever perform, is called Tamasika karta. புரிஞ்சு போச்சு. யார் எந்தெந்த கர்மா பண்றானோ அவனவன் அந்தந்த கர்த்தான்னு சொல்லலாம். முடிச்சாச்சு. ஆனால் கிருஷ்ண பரமாத்மா out of compassion he is explaining about the satvika karta, rajasika karta, tamasa karta. Again elaborately, separately he is explaining. See the karuna, the guru enna appadida. The one guru is one who is communicating lot of knowledge. He want to give, desirous of giving lot of knowledge clearly. Many times, repeatedly, the teacher wants to say, that is, it shows the teacher's compassion. Now, let us read 26th shloka. Mukta sango naham vadim dhrutyutsaha samanvitah siddhya siddhyo nirvikarah karta satvika uchyate. Who is Satvika Karta? The doer of Satvik actions is called Satvika Karta. Karta means doer. Who is doer? I am doer. Every day, morning onwards, what am I doing? Doing lot of actions. Therefore, I am called as what? Karta. What type of Karta? Am I Satvika Karta, Rajasika Karta, or Tamasika Karta? Or what slokam padicha purinju poyidum. Whether we are Satvika Karta, Rajasika Karta, or Tamasika Karta. Satvikaha Karta Uchyate. Satvik doer is said to be Mukta Sangaha. Number 1. Litmus test. Okay. This is called litmus test. We can test ourselves. A parameter Bhagavan is giving to test ourselves. Muktaha Sangaha means Muktaha means Parityaktaha ityartha, given up. Who has given up or free from? Free from what? Sangaha, attachment. There in a Sangha Rahitam and Chunar. Ingan Cholana Mukta Sangaha and Cholar. That is the same words Lord Krishna changing. Muktaha Parityaktaha Sangaha Enasaha, by whom the attachment has been given up. Or who is free from attachment. Towards what? Towards action. Mukta Sangaha Anahamvadi. Number 2. Aham Karta iti Vadi Ahamvadi. I am doing. Nanda Pandra unakku yaar pannuvan. Son and daughter, that's why some children will fed up with parents. They will run away. Appa. Go on pestering and enna ahona. Kashtanda to bringing up children is not so easy. Swami ungalku enna theriyum? Ungalku oru kulandai irundha theriyum. Ipo chumma solluvelninga enna. Correct da? Analum adikku oru limit irukka. Every human being is having his or her own individual space, individual space, freedom. Nobody want to control by others. And the freedom expectation is very natural. That's why carefully we have to handle. We should not leave them also. We cannot. Because they are growing. அப்படி ஃப்ரீடம் சொல்லி விடவும் முடியாது. Okay? This is a freedom கொடுக்கக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லி you should not control too much also. How difficult, no? That's why you take up one son, bringing up one son or daughter, you will get tremendous vairagyam. ஒன்று போதும். அதுக்கு தான் சீக்கிரம் வைராகியம் வேணும்னா கல்யாணம் பண்ணிட்டு ஒரு பொண்ணு ஒரு பையனை இருந்தால் போதும். அது அவங்களுக்கு கல்யாணம் பண்ணணும், அது வேறு. அவங்களுக்கு கல்யாணம் ஆகிற வரைக்கும் அதுக்கப்புறம் ஃப்ரீ வேர்ட்ஸ் யாருன்னா முக்த சங்காஹ அனஹம்வாதி. ஹூ இஸ் ஃப்ரீ ஃப்ரம் ஈகோயிசம். அஹம் கர்த்தா இதி வாதி அஹம்வாதி. அனஹம்வாதி. ந அஹம்வாதி அஹம்வாதி. Who is free from? I am the doer. Ego nartham. Ego illamal. Dhruti utsaha samanvitaha. Samanvitaha means endowed with. Who is endowed with what? Dhruti. Dhruti means will. Willpower. I can do this. I can take up this. Once I start this, I will not stop. And I will take up right actions. Dhruti is there. Willpower. You will not leave the Bhagavan. நீயே பார்த்துக்கோப்பா, நான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன், நீ பார்த்துக்கோண்ணா. நீ என்னடா பண்ணுறேன்னா, நீ தானே பண்ணணும். பகவானுக்கிட்ட சொல்லிடுவான். We should not leave to Bhagavan. We have to do, and Bhagavan will help us. Some people, they take up the action and they go to temple every day. You know, Bhagavan, they will ask Bhagavan like this, I have taken up that action. No? You know. So what am I doing? I am doing 40 pradakshinaams every day. So what you have to do? You have to finish that job. இவன் சுத்திட்டே இருப்பான், அங்கே பண்ண மாட்டேன் வேலை. அந்த கோயிலுக்கு போய் இந்த கோயிலுக்கு போய் இங்கெல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு பகவான் என்ன பண்ண, அரே பகவான், யூ ஹவ் டேக்கன் அப் த ஆக்ஷன், டேக் கேர் ஆஃப் தட் ஆக்ஷன். You can round about me, one round also sufficient, but leaving that action and doing here pradakshinam, what is the use? Spending more time in the temple, you can seek the blessings of the Lord. It's true, Ishvara Kripa is required, but not that he will take care of whole thing and you are not putting proper effort. What is it? Therefore this person, Dhriti Utsaham, who is endowed with will and enthusiasm. When doing that action itself, lot of enthusiasm. Some people, well, they're starting, they have enthusiasm. This is very natural. Anytime, whenever we start, first time, enthusiasm. After some time, we lose our interest. Daily pandradane. Naturally, this is very, 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 very a typical nature of a human being. பண்ணும்போது ரொம்ப உற்சாகமாக இருக்கும். என்னமோ இந்த குழந்தை கூட பாருங்கள், ஸ்கூலுக்கு போகும்போது நல்லா ஃபஸ்ட்டு புது புக்ஸ் எல்லாம் போட்டுட்டு உற்சாகமாக போவாள். 2-3 கிளாஸ் ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டே போயிடும். மியூசிக் கிளாஸ் அப்படிதான், டான்ஸ் கிளாஸ் அப்படிதான், எந்த கிளாஸ், பெயிண்டிங் கிளாஸ் அப்படிதான். எனி கிளாஸ், வேர் எவர் யூ ஸ்டார்ட், வாட் எவர் லேர்னிங் யூ ஸ்டார்ட். வேதாந்தம் கூட அப்படியோ? Thank God. Vedanta is not like that. The more you study, the more enthusiasm has to increase. I hope it is increasing. I can see that you are having enthusiasm, you are having willpower also. To come to class, whether to come to class or not, you should have will. Bhagavani விருப்பம் இருந்தால் அனுப்புவார் கிளாஸுக்கு, இல்லைன்னா அது வேறு. Some students will ask, Swamini, you pray for me that I should come to the class. Some students will come and ask, you bless me, Swamini, without obstacles I should come to your class. Adepudi, I will bless you, that is okay, but you have to put effort. திருத்தி உற்சாகம், உங்களுக்கு தான் உற்சாகம் வரணும். நான் வீட்டிலேருந்து ஃபோன் பண்ணணும், எனக்கு கிளாஸ் கிளம்பிட்டியா ஃபோன் பண்ண முடியுமா? இல்லையா, பண்ண முடியாது. So we have to put effort, and Guru blessings are also there. And உற்சாகம் இருக்கணும். So whenever, whatever work we are doing to grandparents or in-laws or children, உற்சாகத்தோட பண்ணணும். Anything when we take up. Sometimes people do puja and all. They start with a lot of utsaham. Afterwards, இதோ பண்ணணுமே, பண்ணி முடிச்சுடு அவ்வளோதான். முடிச்சுடுனா கம்ப்ளீட் இட். அது கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகிற வரைக்கும் they are so restless. Some sentiments, certain things, விரதம் சண்டால் they take up. ஆயாசம் பண்ண முடியாமல் கஷ்டப்பட்டுட்டு அவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் கூப்பிடணும், எல்லாம் பண்ணணும். அப்படியெல்லாம் பண்ணக்கூடாது. அந்த காரியத்தில் ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்கணும். இது மூலமாக நமக்கு என்ன பெனிஃபிட் வரப்போகிறது, எது நல்லதுன்னு சொல்லி நல்லா யோசித்து பண்ணணும். ஸோ then you feel so healthy, happy, relaxed also. Otherwise, that same action is so tiresome, boredom. It should not be like that. Just as you see the serial every time, you see, today what is the episode? How you see with so much enthusiasm. Every action we have to take up like that. Enthusiasm. Dhriti utsaha samanvitaha. Nirvikaraha. Who is unaffected. Vikara means is any action when we are doing, some type of unpleasant situations also take place. Sometimes in maximum unpleasant, unfavorable irukum many times. But at that time, I should not be perturbed. I should not be disturbed. If I am a Sattvika Karta, no changes in my face, no change in my talk also. So was the Rama face. Before his father said, you are going to become a king tomorrow, the coronation, and Rama is same at that time also. When Kaikeyi asked Rama, you have to go to forest. Okay, amma, அதே ஃபேஸ் தான், நோ சேஞ்ச். நமக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்? சேமா இருக்கணும், அப்படியே இருக்கணும். மலர்ச்சினா ஃப்ளவர், ப்ளோசம்டு ஃப்ளவர் எப்படி இருக்கும்னா அப்படியே இருக்கும் ஃபேஸ். We should not show in our eyes or in our face the கோபம் தாபம் உடனே reaction, impulsive reactions towards husband or towards wife or towards children, towards any person. We should not show any impulsive reactions. Reciprocation must be healthy reciprocation. If you are not able to tolerate, that is true at that time, but you should not, on the face you should not show it to anybody. Wait. கொஞ்சம் பொறுமையா இருந்தா you can manage lot of damages. அந்த டைமுக்குள்ள many relations you can maintain healthy relations by just பொறுமை, அந்த சாந்தம், tolerance. Let me wait and see. Let me have balance now. Let me not shout. Let me not show any unhealthy signs or indications on my face, in my words. Let me wait. It's very big training for a sadhaka. Ada nirvikaraha kevala shastra pramana prayuktaha. Shankaracharya translate. Nirvikara means what? Just as Shastra says, he behaves. That's all. I don't behave, I don't react, I don't show any impulsive responses as I like. But I respond exactly said in Shastra. Shastra சொல்லுது, இந்த சமயம்ல இப்படி பிஹேவ் பண்ணு, பொறுமையாயிரு. அந்த சாஸ்திர பிரமாணம் மனசுல வச்சுண்டு he behaves. அதான் சாஸ்திர, கேவல சாஸ்திர பிரமாண prayuktaha, who is unaffected. When siddhi asiddhau, siddhya asiddhyoho, in success and failure. Siddhi means success, asiddhi means failure. All the whatever we undertake, all our undertakings need not be successful, need not be favorable. It cannot. It is not possible also. It is impossible. So, failure is inevitable, certain timing, we have to face them. Asiddhihi. Asiddhi varandappo vikaram. Siddhi varumbodhu santosham. Kushi, kushi, kushi. மூஞ்சி பாரு, அப்படியே தெரிஞ்சு போயிடும். என்னாச்சு இன்னைக்கு, என்னாச்சு இன்னைக்குன்னு யாரும் கேட்கக்கூடாது. என்ன நம்ம மூஞ்சில தெரியக்கூடாது. She's so balanced. My mother is so balanced under all circumstances. My father is so balanced under all circumstances. Financial upset வந்தா எங்க அப்பா அம்மா மூஞ்சி பார்க்கணும், குழந்தைக்கு அப்படியே தெரிஞ்சு போயிடும், அந்த பக்கமே வரமாட்டான். அப்பா ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கார், அம்மா ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கான்னு இப்படியெல்லாம் தெரியக்கூடாது, குழந்தைங்களுக்கு தெரியக்கூடாது. That impact falls on them and you see their growth also will change. Children also will be very much affected because they are growing, they do not know anything. The psychological disturbance take place in them. பணம் இன்னைக்கு வரும், நாளைக்கு போகும், அதுல என்ன, அதுக்குள்ள நம்ம lot of things we blast out. Again after a few days again you get money. But your behavior, when you lost something, your behavior will be imprinted on the minds of your children. That will not go. And you want to patch up that with this money again what you got. You cannot fill up that. Therefore, we have to be very much balanced. Nirvikaraha siddhi asiddhyoho. That karta, such person is called what? Satvika karta. Very, very, very difficult to see such a person, you know. இப்போ நான் சாத்விக கர்த்தா இல்லையான்னு பார்த்துக்கணும், இல்லையா? Don't see others. My husband is satvika karta or not, or my wife is satvika karta or not, or my mother-in-law or father-in-law. It is not to judge others. It is judge. Not judge means here, judging means not looking down upon oneself. I have to improve myself. There is a room to grow. Dayananda Swamiji says always, there is a room to grow for every person. I need not feel bad when I fail under certain circumstances. And really I feel happy. If I fail, I will become more and more stubborn and steady to take up again with more willpower. Let me learn a lesson through this and I can start my journey. That person is called Sattvika Karta. Failure is inevitable in our life. Every person, sunset is there, sunrise is there. Life also like that. Siddhi asiddhau. Same thing in 2nd chapter Bhagavan said. Dukkeshu anudigna manaha sukheshu vigata sprahaha. Next shloka. What is next shloka? Rajasika Karta. How he does. Ragi karma phala prepsuhu lubdho himsatmako shuchihi harsha shokanvitah karta rajasah parikirtitah. Ragi, Rajasa Karta Parikirtitaha, the Rajasic doer, don't think Rajasic, there is a Karta who is Rajasic. Rajasic Guna Samanvita Karta Nartham, in whose the Rajasic Guna is predominant, that person is called Rajasika Karta. A person who performs actions with Rajasika Guna, his nature is Rajasic nature. What is Rajasic nature? In the care of 14th chapter. Okay. Gunatraya Vibhaga Yoga. Rajasic nature is that, Bhagavan Lord Krishna explained already, a person with Rajasic predominant nature perform Rajasic actions, that person is called Rajasika Karta. What he does? Ragi. One who has attachment. Idilone namak first mark varo. Rajgi. Enna ragi, malt. Adilla kadiyadu. Ragaha asya asti iti ragi. The one who is having attachment. My house, my car. My son, my daughter. Naam iruvar, namakoruvar. Idi always thinking. பையனுக்கு 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் எக்ஸாம்னா அம்மாவுக்கு பிபிஎம் வரும். பையன் எக்ஸாம் முடிச்சுட்டு பாஸ் ஆகிடுவா, அம்மாவுக்கு பிபி அப்படியே இருக்கும். ஏன்னா ஒரு வாட்டி வந்தாச்சுன்னா போட்டுட்டே இருக்கணும் டேப்லெட்டு. பையன் 12வது படிக்கிறேன்னா எக்ஸாம்ஸ் அம்மாவுக்கு பிபி, அப்பாவுக்கு பிபி. இது என்ன? ஆஸ் தோ யூ ஆர் ஸ்டடிங். அம்மா சுவாமி லைஃப்ல they have to stand on their own legs. They are already standing on their own legs. Why you are struggling too much? Do your duty, that's all. Not that you have to spoil your health. And if you spoil your health and you shout at that person, see, my mother is so unhappy because of my studies. My mother, I am not able to keep my mother happy. You are creating guilt in your children. Unnecessary guilt at the time of exams. பார், உன்னாலதான் எனக்கு வந்தது. இந்த அம்மா சொல்லுவா, உன்னாலதான் எனக்கு வருதுன்னு. அந்த பையன் என்ன பண்ணுவா பாவம் குழந்தை? As I am so burdened to my mother, I am burdened to my father. Let me go out. The feeling will come. We should not create such a burden. No? That type of thought in their mind. As though they are burdened. Some mothers are like that. An unmarried daughter is there in house. Not at, matches are not coming, not able to fix. She feels that she is a burden. And that girl feels, see, I am burdened to my mother. That's why these love marriages are all happening in what you call intercaste marriages. Because the parents feel daughter is a burden. Unmarried daughter. Who said? That girl should not feel like that, no? Never. Any time, at any age. Daughter is a daughter, that's all. What other people think, what they know your family problems. You need not worry about other people think. You take care of your daughter, you take care of things, that's all. You need not bother about others too much. Don't spoil your congenial atmosphere of your family. Family-lo congenial atmosphere disturb aagakudadu. You are the master of your house. You know what are the circumstances you are facing in your house. You be bold enough, that's all. I am ready to face any situation, but at the same time with the humility, not at shouting at others, not blaming others. At the same time, I know my limitations, I know what are all resources I have. That's all. So raga attachment is to some extent is good. If you don't have raga attachment, the child cannot grow. But the raga should not become too much. That is over possessive nature. It should not be possessive. Karma phala prepsuhu. A karta who is desirous of results of actions. Karma phala prepsuhu. Praptum itsa prepsa. The person who is desirous of karma phala. Second, that's called rajasiga karta. Then lubdhaha. And mother always says, உனக்கு இத்தனை மார்க்ஸ் வரணும் தெரியுமா, these many marks you have to get, then only I will eat food. இந்த பையனுக்கு இருக்கிற மெமரி கூட போயிடும். What all remembrance is also will go away. Why children are facing this peer pressure? Single child families nowadays. Single child. That is why whole pressure, the mother, father, 1 or 2 children only maximum. 3 எல்லாம் காணவே காணும் இப்போ இல்லையா. 1 2 அந்த 2 கூட போயிடுச்சு, 1 வந்தாச்சு இப்போ. அதனால அந்த மதர் ஃபாதர் ஆல்வேஸ் லுக்கிங் அட் தட் ஓன்லி ஒன் சன் ஒன் டாட்டர். அப்பா இந்த குழந்தை தாங்கவே முடியாது, அம்மா அப்பா பயந்துடுவா அப்படியே. Those days, at least 4 children, 5 children, 6 children, 8, 9 children, very common. So, mother love and attention, everything is distributed to all the children. That's why the children are so free. இப்போ என்னடான்னா அம்மா அப்பான்னா lot of fear. Because one child, அவன் ஒன்றும் படிக்கலன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? Who will take care of? Who will see us? இது ஒரு பயம். இப்படி எல்லாம் வந்து என்ன, they show lot of attention. இந்த குழந்தை பாவம் சின்ன வயசுல இருக்கும்போது அம்மா அப்பா so much love they are showing, so much love நினைச்சுன்னு இருப்ப பாவம். இவனுக்கு தெரியாது 12th class வந்ததுப்போ அம்மா she will take whole thing என்ன. For that sake she is showing என்ன இவனுக்கு தெரியாது. Once this child grown up and mother நான் பார்த்த பொண்ணு தான் நீ கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கணும், இந்த பொண்ணு தான் அப்படிதான் இருக்கணும், இப்படிதான் இருக்கணும், அப்பா கண்ட்ரோல். என்ன அந்த சின்ன வயசு இந்த கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணி 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 பழகி அம்மா அப்பா அப்படியே அந்த குரூலோட இருப்பான். இந்த குழந்தை ஒரு ஃப்ரீடம் வந்தாச்சுன்னு கூட they never think over. Anyhow, okay, lubdhaha, who is greedy. Greedy and mother controls. என்ன mother student in exams time, exams are going on, that's why that only coming in my mind. Greedy என்ன, my son has to study this and my son has to earn this much salary. And like this mother commands, father commands. How is it possible? The child is having his own, her own intelligence, capacity, caliber, resource. We have to leave to them. Let them be free in their own choice. Then lubdhaha means paradravyeshu sanjata trishnaha. That person, his son is earning so much, you have to earn this much. His daughter is earning this much, you have to earn this much. Otherwise my status, what will happen to my status? Greediness, a lot of money. Even this person goes to pilgrimage centers and all, also you don't give any dhanam. Shankaracharya says, avala conjusive. Kanjatanama, enna solva? Conjusiveness vanda, kanjatanam conjusiveness vandadu. Okay, greedy and lubdhaha. And expecting the wealth of others. That property, this property, எல்லாமே வேணும். சித்தப்பா ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி எனக்கு வேணும், தாத்தா ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி எனக்கு வேணும், எல்லா ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி எனக்கு வேணும். ஒரே செலவு பண்ண மாட்டான். ஸ்வத்ரவ்ய அபரித்யாகி. His own money he will never leave and expecting others' money. కొంచెం కూడా దానం పడనమాట. Greedy and expecting others' money. This type of person is called greedy person, and doing actions with that greediness is called what? Rajasika karta. Therefore do danam. Danam பண்ணலன்னு என்ன ஆகும்? You are a rajasika karta ன்னு பேரு. Ashuchihi, impure. Such a mind is called impure mind. Greedy mind is a impure mind. Harsha shoka anvitaha. Endowed with, anvitaha means endowed with elation and depression. Harsha means elation, ananda. Once the things are going smooth, so much of harsham, anandam. And when things are going haywire, shoka anvitaha, depression. Then suppression, depression. All will come. Ishta praptau harshaha. When whatever I expect, if I get ishta praptau harshaha. மூஞ்சி பார்த்தாலே தெரியும். அனிஷ்ட பிராப்தம் சோகா. சமயம் அனிஷ்ட பிராப்தம் எப்படி ஹர்ஷமா இருக்க முடியும் அப்படின்னு கேட்கல. ரொம்ப யூ ஷுட் நாட் ஷோ டூ மச் டு அதர்ஸ். யாரும் காமிக்கலன்னு என்ன பண்ணணும்னு அப்பதான் நமக்கு தாங்கிக்க முடியாது. we want to burst out. however much we try to control, very difficult. It requires a training. Sufficient training is required. Let me balance this time. Let me not show my feelings too much. Always share what is nice. Maximum. Share what is nice, what is beautiful, what is wonderful. Pleasant things share maximum. All unpleasant things which is disturbing you, try to avoid much sharing with others. என்ன அவனுக்கு வேறே ராமாயணம் பாரதம், அவங்க ப்ராப்ளம் அவங்களுக்கு இருக்கும், நம்ம ப்ராப்ளம் சொல்லி அவங்களுக்கு இருக்கிற தலைவலி விட நம்ம தலைவலி கொஞ்சம் சேர்த்து. தட்ஸ் வை பீப்புள் ரன் அவே. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பீப்புள் ரன் அவே. ஏன்னா they can't withstand. நீங்க போய் ஆல்ரெடி தட் பர்சன் இஸ் ஹேவிங் தேர் ஓன் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். if you go on saying your problems, that person mind cannot ready to listen. No, that much burdensome for them, difficult. Only sannyasi can listen. You can go to sannyasi or sannyasini, they will listen. ஏன்னா அவங்களுக்கு ஒன்றும் கிடையாது, no burdens. இன்டி ராமாயணம்னு சொல்லுவா. ஒரு பாரதம், எனக்கு ஒரு பாரதம் இருக்கு, உனக்கு பாரதம் இருக்கு, சரி இன்னொரு பாரதம் எனக்கு சொல்லு, என்னோட பாரதம் உனக்கு சொல்றேன் என்ன. அதுக்கப்புறம் சொன்னா பரவாயில்ல. நம்ம என்ன ஆயிடுவோம்னா ஒரு வாட்டி அவங்க பாரதம் எல்லாம் கேட்டுட்டு நம்ம கூட அந்த ப்ராப்ளம் வந்துடுமோ அது ப்ராப்ளம் நம்ம கூட வந்துடுவோம். கேட்டு கேட்டு ஒரே மாதிரி டவுட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்துடும், தேவையில்லாத டவுட்ஸ், கன்ஃபியூஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் வரும். These are called what you can speculations, imaginations, lot of imaginations. Because of that speculation, imagination will more depressed. That's why all problems like a dustbin. Dustbin என்ன பண்ணுவோம், மூடி வைப்போம் இல்லையோ. All favorable, all pleasant things are like a jasmine. இது ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Are like a jasmine. If you keep outside, everyone can smell. But when problem comes, put in the dustbin. அப்படின்னு சொன்ன சுவாமி நீ ஷேர் பண்ணக்க சொன்னாங்க. We have to share our problems, otherwise inside there is what volcano வந்துடும். We have to share. அது சரிதான், ஷேர்ன்னு சொன்னா you should not pull the person to listen to your problems. That's why counseling centers are increasing day by day. Everybody wants counseling center. I will tell you, best counselor is God. Surrender to God. Hold on to Him. A person, a bhakta, who hold on to the Lord, saying everything to the Lord, that person pains are like a pin pricks. பெயின் தெரியவே தெரியாது, கஷ்டம் தெரியவே தெரியாது. ஏன்னா பகவான் இருக்கார். பகவான் இஸ் தேர். பகவான் இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் அவைலபிள். நாட் ஈவன் அவர் ஓன் ஃபேமிலி மெம்பர்ஸ். ஜஸ்ட் இன் ஃப்ரண்ட் ஆஃப் ஹிம் ஓப்பன் யுவர் all your grievances. Bhagavan, give me strength. Take care of me. He will take care of. The best solution. Next shloka. अयुक्तः प्राकृतस्तब्धः शठो नैष्कृतिकोलसः विषादी दीर्घसूत्री च कर्ता तामस उच्यते. तामसः कर्ता उच्यते. Tamasic doer is said to be ayuktaha, one who is undisciplined in ahara, vyavahara, talking, eating, dressing, and any work, everything. He is not a disciplined person. Not orderly. There is no orderliness in life, no cleanliness in the life, no proper thinking in life. Prakritaha, bala samaha. Shankaracharya says prakritaha means not samskritaha, uncultured. Satvika karta is cultured. Prakrita karta is uncultured, unrefined, immature. Asamahitaha. Ayuktaha means asamahitaha, undisciplined. Balasamaha means like a child. Stabdaha, arrogant. That's why in Puranas you can see Narada Garva Bhangam, Satyabhama Garva Bhangam, Garuda Garva Bhangam, Vishwamitra Garva Bhangam. All these Garva Bhangams means because of arrogance they will learn a lesson, they will get hit by Bhagavan or some other situation. Garvam always more dangerous. Garva Bhangam kandippa nadakam. Arrogance, stabdaha means arrogant, absolutely impolite ன்னு அர்த்தம். ஒருத்தருக்கு நமஸ்காரமே பண்ண மாட்டா, எப்பவுமே ஒரு ஸ்டிஃபா இருக்கும் நெக், ஏன்னா பெண்டே ஆகாது. தண்டவத் பிரணாமம் வந்ததே தெரியாது, தண்டவத் நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணாத. That's why maximum do namaskara to Bhagavan. So arrogance won't come. Do namaskara to elders. Bend your head first. என்ன arrogance இங்கே தானே வரும். Bend your head. From childhood, children we have to teach, otherwise arrogance will come. சின்ன வயசுல நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணு, விழுந்து நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணு, சாஷ்டாங்க நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணு, பகவான் கிட்ட நமஸ்காரம் பண்ண சொல்லி கொடுக்கணும். Many people do not know how to do namaskara also even. கொஞ்சம் வினயமா இருந்தா என்ன ஆகும்? ஆமா, prestige status, prestige question. I am so and so. What so and so? In front of Bhagavan you are nothing. Why can't you do சாஷ்டாங்க நமஸ்கார்? பகவானுக்கு கூட இப்படிதான் நமஸ்காரம், இது என்னமோ நமஸ்காரம் தெரியாது, இங்க தொட்டுட்டே இருப்பான். ஏன் கொஞ்சம் கை சேர்த்து இப்படி பெண்ட் பண்ணலாம் இல்லையோ? நோ டைமா? இது கூட டைம் கிடையாது. You are taking so much from Bhagavan. பகவானுக்கே பண்ணல, அப்பா அம்மாவுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவான்? கிராண்ட் பேரண்ட்ஸ்க்கு நமஸ்காரம் கிடையாது, பேரண்ட்ஸ்க்கு நமஸ்காரம் கிடையாது, பகவானுக்கு நமஸ்காரம் கிடையாது. என்ன வேணா எக்ஸாம்ஸ் நம்ம படிக்கணுமே என்ன? Saraswati in your hands. Have you done namaskara to Saraswati? You are studying. No namaskara to Vigna Vinayaka first. Avarda Vigna Vinayaka removes obstacles. Do namaskara first to him. Do namaskara to Saraswati. Do namaskara to father, mother, grandparents. சொல்லி கொடுக்கணும். இல்லைன்னு என்ன ஆகும்னா இப்படிதான் ஸ்தப்தஹா, அரகண்ட், இம்பாலைட், தண்டவத் நமதி கஸ்யசித். எப்போ கூட ஒரு வாட்டி கூட நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணதே கிடையாது. நான் ஹாஃப் நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணணுமே, இங்கே அழுக்க இருக்குன்னு பார்த்துட்டே இருப்பான். இந்த இடத்துல பண்ணலாமா இல்லையா? சாஷ்டாங்க நமஸ்காரம் யாருமே பண்ணலையே, நான் பண்ணணுமா? இந்த மாதிரிலாம் நினச்சிட்டே இருப்பான். தட் பர்சன் இஸ் கால்டு தாமசிக கர்த்தான். Always thinking about high esteem about oneself. Very immature, uncultured person. Shataha, deceptive, procrastinating, one who has got expressed notion, another hidden notion. ஒன்று பேசி வெளியில் ஒன்று சொல்லுவா, உள்ள ஒன்று நினைப்பான். இது டபுள் பர்சனாலிட்டி, ஸ்பிளிட் பர்சனாலிட்டி. One who has got expressed notion is one, expressed thoughts are one type, and ulla unexpressed hidden agenda anardham. ఓకే, ఎలక్షన్స్ வரப்போகிறது. హిడెన్ ఎజెండా. నైష్కృతిక అండ్ విషాది, అలస, ద్వేషసూత్రి, దీర్ఘసూత్రి, వీళ్ళెல்லாம் నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో పాపం. పూర్ణమద పూర్ణమిదం పూర్ణాత్ పూర్ణముదచ్యతే పూర్ణస్య పూర్ణమాదాయ పూర్ణమేవావశిష్యతే. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. హరి ఓం. శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. హరి ఓం.